Hi, my name is Jen. Welcome to my review video. Today I'm going to review this product named Prime, the world's fastest, easiest solution to getting free traffic. Okay, so this is very suitable for beginners who find it very difficult to make an income online, okay, where you always feel that you're stuck, you're confused, overwhelmed, and then you have so many things that like for example hundreds of emails to read or to send out, products that doesn't work, and then pressure from family and incomplete training apps or being pulled in different directions. Okay, so if you're not a beginner, this will be suitable for you too, because if it helps beginner, of course definitely it will help you too. So what is this Prime? So Prime is actually a 7-in-1 tool, okay, to get free traffic. Now, free traffic, so what does it mean by 7-in-1? So here is a members page. If let's say you decided to get this Prime, you will have access to all the tools in this page. So from here you can see there is different tools down here, which is what I mentioned, 7-in-1. Okay, so there is a messenger marketing tool, there is an email marketing tool, there is a SMS, social media. So social media, I think they cover quite a wide range of social media, or almost most of them. Okay, as you can see, there is like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, all the common ones that we use. Okay, push notifications, video marketing, as well as live streaming. So whatever tools that you want to use to target your customer, it's here, and it's all in one-stop solution, and it's easiest and the fastest way to reach to gain your free traffic. Okay, so how much does it cost for this 7-in-1 tools? Okay, now usually it costs $67 per month, but right now they are offering a very good price, which is only $17 one time, and you have unlimited access without a time frame. Okay, you have unlimited access to all this. You can basically use everything. Okay, so they provide training for you to use all these tools. So they are okay, let me show you this. Their training content, so most of them are videos. You can look into it, you can go through. If let's say you still need assistance, you can contact them directly, and they are very happy to help. Okay, now in this 7-in this Prime software, you can use it in many different ways. So they have prepared a few types of packages that you can add on if let's say you find it too much to do, or if you find it too many things to do. You can get some packages in advance. Okay, so there's 5 type of packages you can go through. Like for example, the first one that you have multiple templates, unlimited usage. Okay, then the second one is a done for you edition. Okay, so the prices are all here if you want to add on, but if you don't want to, it is okay. But if you have some extra money and short of time, then you can probably purchase these packages. Okay, it will save you a lot of time. So if you are interested in this $17 packages, one time full access with no time limit, click on the description below, the link there. I have included bonuses that will complement this product. Okay, so once you click the link below that I have put in the description, you will come here to this page. You can click anywhere where you want to purchase the product here, or a green label here, no problem. But this is only available as long as the timer here runs. Once it hits 0, then the bonuses is no longer there. So grab it while grab it as soon as possible. Now, what bonuses have I included? Okay, I have included a total of 5 bonuses. Okay, 5 bonuses. Just $17, you will get your Prime software as well as these 5 bonuses. So the first bonus is an a tutorial on the access the ClickBank Mastery course. Okay, second one is high quality traffic sources to use. The third bonus is accelerate your Instagram traffic. The fourth one is access Jono YouTube's ads course. Jono is by Jono Armstrong. So Jono Armstrong is my mentor. He is very successful himself already, and he's in this industry for many years. So he will share the do and don'ts and give you some tips or hacks, okay, to give you a competitive advantage. Okay, so the 5th bonus is all vendor bonuses. Okay, it's a special bonus. Okay, so take action today. So how do you claim this bonus? Upon purchase the Prime, okay, there's a screenshot here. Okay, you can access it on your Warrior Plus. Okay, you can access it on your Warrior Plus. Now after this, I'm gonna show you a demo that they have prepared to just show you roughly how you can design your campaigns, how to use the tool to target your market, to gain your free traffic. Okay, so just have a look at it. So that's the end of the demo video. To get the Prime software, click on the link at the description below and click here to purchase, or here to purchase only for $17. You will get your Prime software as well as all the 5 bonuses that I have prepared for you. Okay, so all the best to you. I'll see you in the next video.